How to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. This tutorial shows you how to appeal and recover your banned TikTok account on Android. First, launch the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, you'll see a message stating your account has been permanently banned. Following that, tap on Appeal or Learn More on the ban notification. Now, read through TikTok's community guidelines to understand the violation. Moving forward, tap on Submit an Appeal to start the appeal process. Afterwards, write a detailed explanation of why you believe the ban was a mistake. In addition to that, be polite and professional in your appeal message. Once written, attach any evidence or screenshots that support your case. Subsequently, tap on Submit to send your appeal to TikTok. Moreover, you'll receive a confirmation that your appeal has been submitted. Afterwards, wait for TikTok's response, which can take several days. Then, check your email regularly for updates from TikTok support. Within this section, if you don't receive a response, try contacting through the app. Alternatively, open TikTok settings and tap on Report a Problem. Once there, select Account and Profile, then Account Banned. Then, describe your issue again and request manual review. Afterwards, you can also contact TikTok via their official website support page. Then, navigate to TikTok's Help Center in your browser. Moreover, fill out the feedback form with your username and issue details. Afterwards, if your appeal is successful, your account will be restored. Then, make sure to follow community guidelines to avoid future bans. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix your permanently banned TikTok account, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.